So most of the workflows that I set up in tools like Make.com are actually not that big or that complex. So for example, this here is probably one of the bigger ones, which is just a Stripe payment workflow. It kind of triggers a whole bunch of different random things in Glide, but then it also sends information to Google Ads and that type of stuff. Now, I see a lot of people who show off these massive, massive workflows inside of, Twitter or LinkedIn or wherever else. But I am of the opinion that when it comes to automation workflows, bigger is not always better. In fact, it's almost always worse. And the reason for that is that the bigger your workflow is, the more point of failures there are. Now, that doesn't go to say that I don't kind of connect them with each other. One thing that I do a lot is when I set up certain types of workflows that are interlinked with each other, I will then actually trigger a workflow from inside of the main workflow as soon as one is completed. So an example of that would be if I, for example, run a competitor analysis workflow inside of one workflow, by the time that this is done, what it will do in Airtable is update a field, which then triggers another workflow inside of another Make.com workflow. The main advantage of that is that I'm then keeping all of these individual building blocks separate, which makes it way, way easier to maintain. So my tip is keep your workflows small and link them together by using webhooks to trigger them in different apps.